Everyone, we have been discussing integrated communication skills English training program. We are in the first lesson, a time to remember. Under that first lesson, we are coming to the grammar focus subtopic. The subtopic is, today's subtopic is grammar focus in the first chapter, a time to remember. Under this grammar focus subtopic, simple past tense was discussed in the textbook. Simple past tense. Let me remember what is tense. Tense is a form of verb which indicates the state of action and the time of action. So here, what is the structure of the simple past tense? Subject plus V2 form of the verb and object and adverb of time. This adverb of time means the time when the action completed must be specified in that sentence. The time when the action completed is very important. That's called adverb of time. What is V2 form? As we all know, verb has three forms: present tense, past tense and past participle tense. So we have to take the second form, V2, past tense form. While you writing simple past tense sentences, we have to use second form of the verb, V2. Now let me tell you what are be forms, do forms and have forms in the past tense. Past be forms of past tense: was and were. Was is used for singular nouns or singular pronouns. Were is used for plural nouns and plural pronouns. Next, what is the past form of do form? Did. After all these personal pronouns and after all singular and plural nouns, in both singular and plural nouns we have to use did. What is the past form of have? Had. For all these personal pronouns, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, we have to use had in the past form. Next, how do we use these be forms, do forms and have forms in the daily life? Now, what being, doing and having? What is being? Being, our profession we can tell using this simple past tense. I was a teacher. So this was past form of the be form. I was a teacher. Now if you want to write a negative sentence, I was not a teacher, just add not. Next, if you want to frame questions, bring this was to the beginning of the sentence, then was I not a teacher? So this is the question form. Next one, they were robbers. If you want to write negative sentence, add not. They were not robbers. Now frame question, bring this were. This is the helping verb. Bring this were to the beginning of the sentence. Were not they robbers, or were they not robbers? Like this we can frame question forms and negative forms. Next, doing. The actions, already completed actions. He came last day. Here, he didn't come last day. How do we frame this didn't come? Here, came is equal to come plus did. Come plus did will become came. Did plus the first form of the verb becomes second form of the verb. So that's why I am writing I didn't write. Question, if you bring this did to the beginning of the sentence, didn't he write? They bought pens. Bought is equal to buy plus did. When you frame negative sentence, they did not buy. Question, didn't they buy? Like that. Here, had. When do we use had? When we own some things. What are the things that we possess will be intimated in this tense. We had a camera. Negative, we had not a camera. She had a ring. She hadn't ring. Did she has a ring? So like that we can use negative sentences and next one, negative sentences and question forms like this. What are the uses of simple past tense? How do we recognize simple past tense? We can recognize the sentence as simple past tense using adverb of time, like ago, 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 2 days ago, 1 day ago. Like that we can use this adverb of time. Last day, last year, last week, like that. Previous day, previous week, previous year, yesterday, yesterweek, yesteryear. Or specifically we can denote the time in 2004, in 2009, in 1976, in 1947. We have to indicate clearly the time when the action completed. So using these these adverbs of time, adverbial phrases, we can easily identify that the sentence is in simple past tense. Next, let us discuss what are the uses of this simple past tense. When do we use simple past tense? We use simple past tense in three cases. The actions already completed. For the actions already completed, we use this simple past tense. Example, we attended class last Monday. How to frame negative? We didn't attend. Did plus attend is equal to attended. While framing questions, bring this did to the beginning of the sentence. Then, did we not attend class? This will be a question. She fell ill in 2012. She didn't fall ill. Fell is equal to did plus fall. Like that we can frame questions and negative sentences. Next one, the habits in the past time. I studied 5 hours every day. In the past time, I studied 5 hours every day, but today I am not doing like that. So I didn't study 5 hours every day in the past time. So like that we can frame questions and negative sentences. Next, I wish I knew answer. This is the third use of this simple past tense. Actually, the relation when regarding to the past action, while we are telling in the present time. In the present time, we are intimating something about the action that were already completed in the past time. So here, look at this sentence, I wish I knew answer. This sentence means he felt that he knew the answer, but actually at present, he doesn't know the answer. Next one, they wish they wrote exam. They felt that they are feeling the exam already completed, but actually what the actual situation is, the exam not written. Still, the exam is not written. Okay, this is the actual meaning of this sentence. So, the past actions related to the present time, they are revealing what is the present position. So, these are all the three uses of this simple past tense. Next one, generally, what are the mistakes that we commit while coming to this simple past tense? Simple past tense must be used when we indicate the time clearly. Last day, previous day, ago, 2 years ago, in 2004, then we should use only simple past tense. But some people use present perfect tense. She has completed work last day. Look at this verb, has completed. It's wrong. We have to use she completed work last day. Next one, they have gone to Delhi in 2001. They are using present perfect. No, it's not correct. We indicated the time clearly, 2001. Then we should use they went to Delhi in 2001. So this is how we have to use simple past tense. So let me remember some important things. The structure, subject plus verb plus object plus adverbs of time. Next, we must know the agreement between the subject and the verb. If it is singular, we have to use singular verb. If it is past plural, we have to use only plural verb. Next one, while framing questions, let us remember V2 form is equal to did plus V1. Did plus V1 is equal to V2. While framing questions and negative sentences, we have to use this did plus V1. While framing negative sentences, we have to use not. While framing questions, we have to bring this helping verb to the beginning of the sentence. So that's very important. Next one, very important, adverb of time. While writing simple past tense sentences, clearly we have to indicate the time. We have to indicate the time clearly. 2 years ago, 1 year ago, 1 day ago, like that, last day, previous year, yesterday, yesteryear, yesterweek, or we have to specify the time clearly. 2004, 2009, 1970s, like that. Okay? You have to go through all this information. Okay? Thank you one and all for watching this video.